Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Nissan Altima. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, keyless start, remote engine start, alarm, Bluetooth connection. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.